Hi everyone, today I am going to unbox a Huawei E5573C portable Wi-Fi router. Today I bought this one from Sri Lanka mobile phone shop and they said this is a brand new one, but I don't think this is a brand new product because there are something inside this box and outside the box which shows this is not a brand new product. So let's go to the review. As this box displays, the price of this unit is 7,290 rupees in Sri Lankan. So, and here it says, let's focus, made in China, and some instructions how we can connect the Wi-Fi router and use internet, and some instructions there, and there also something written the specifications. You can see clearly here. Right. Okay, let's open this one. Once you have opened this box, you can see some accessories and the router is there, and there is no user manual. It's tragic. So here we can find the battery and the USB cable. Actually this is a micro USB cable. This is used to charge the Wi-Fi router, and finally the router. This is a very user friendly router with width of 96 millimeter and height of 12.8 millimeters and depth of 58 millimeters. With the battery, it weighed nearly 75 grams. So as my previous router, I'll show you that also. This router model also does not contain any external antenna port. If there is any, you can see a slot there to insert the external antenna. So I am going to open this cover, and these are the things. So earlier in this video I said that this is not a brand new product because you can see here the seal of the screws are broken here, and the front cover of the router is bit loosey. So I don't think this is a brand new product. Somehow they managed to sell it to me. Once you open the back cover, you can see there are lots of information written on the screen. First, the Huawei mobile Wi-Fi and the model number E5573C, and the IP address and the default username and the password and the default SSID and Wi-Fi key. So this username and password is used to connect to this router, and this Wi-Fi key is used to connect to this SSID. And there is a one IMEI number because you have one SIM slot, and there's a serial number, and as this is made in China. As my previous Huawei E5573C router, the new one also is in same model, and both made in China by Huawei Technologies. Username and password to connect to this router is different for each other, and SSID is definitely different from each other. In the router's front panel you can see two indicators there. So this one is battery indicator, this one is signal indicator, and there is a switch. This switch is used to switch on and switch off the router. Now I am going to insert the battery into the router. So take out the battery and check is there any insulate between the battery connectors. So there is an insulator. I am going to peel out the insulator. So insulator is removed. So now we are ready to insert the battery to the router. Right. Now I am going to switch on the router. Press and hold this power button for a while. Now you can see both lights are lighting. Next we will see how to configure this router and how can we use internet through this router. Okay, now I am going to connect my phone to the router. Let's see we can find the Wi-Fi of that router. I turn on my Wi-Fi and here I found the SSID of the router. So I'm going to connect this one. And it asks for the password for the first time. So the password you found inside the router, you have to enter it. The password is DMG. Right. Leave the other settings as it is and connect. Now it's connected and now you can go to the internet. Wi-Fi is connected.